Hi, my name is Shannon, and I was diagnosed with retinitis pigmentosa about 10 years ago, no, 12 years ago now. And for 10 of those years, I lived in denial. I didn't want to accept that I had it, and so I was told that there was no treatment or cure for it, so I just kind of decided to ignore it. Then about 2 years ago, after I had my third child, I noticed that my vision really started to decline quickly. So at that point, I joined a support group and decided it was time to maybe take some action to try to make things better. So somebody in the support group had told me about acupuncture being very helpful for her, and at that point I decided to go ahead and maybe give it a try. At least I started looking into it. And in all honesty, I was very skeptical at first. I just didn't know if it was something that was worth pursuing with the cost and the time that it would take, especially time away from my family. But I ultimately decided that it was worth a try because there was really nothing else out there that was available for treating or curing at that point. So I went ahead and started acupuncture. And within 3 days, I noticed that my dark adaptation had significantly improved, so I could go into a supermarket from being outside, and instead of it taking about 2 minutes for my eyes to adjust, it was within seconds. That was the first change I noticed. Then from there, I started noticing that my central vision was getting better, so it became wider, and after that, I noticed that I had some sight open up in my very far periphery. So basically, since then, I have come back about every 3 to 4 months to see Gail, and it has been very stable. My vision has stayed the same or better since coming back every 3 to 4 months. I do have good days and bad days, just like everybody, but ultimately I have actually seen improvements in a disease that is supposed to decline. So with that said, I can't recommend acupuncture enough. It has absolutely changed my life. I've had friends and family even notice that I carry myself differently. I am brighter, I notice things more, I feel safer as a mom. So in the end, it is definitely worth it. I cannot say enough good things, and I'm so grateful to Gail for all that she has done for me.